Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you what are navigation properties. Now say I have a text box and a button and I want to search the employees based on the department name. That is, I am going to insert department name here and I say search. Now what is that it should do? It should get me all the employees belonging to this department. So what is our normal logic that we apply? We take the department name and we try to find out the department ID. Let's see here. I have department table and employee table. Now I get department name. Now from department name I'll try to find out the department ID. Now with that department ID I'll write a query on employee table and get the information about that particular department. So let's follow the old procedure that we used to do. We first try to find out the department ID, then with the department ID we try to find out the employees. I'll double click on search button. Here I have all the namespaces that is required and entity object. Now I'll say the department ID is integer type. I'll say int did is equals to, I'll just go for tbl department dot to list, and from this I'm going to write a where clause. I want to look for a record where x gives rise to x dot department name is equals to whatever I have in my text box, that is txt dname dot first or default. I get that record. Now from that record I want department ID, so I'll say dot did, which is of type int. It's very simple. I got the department ID. Now I'll say where here I need to say txt department name dot text. Now I'll say where employees is equals to same entity object dot tbl employees dot to list dot where this time I say x gives rise to x dot department ID is equals to the ID that I have searched just now. Now I get all the employees belonging to that particular department. Now I can give this as data source to my grid view. Grid employees dot data source is equals to employees and grid employees dot data bind. So with the help of department name we found its department ID, and with this department ID we wrote a query with where clause on employee table and we are getting all the employees of that particular department. So this is our normal procedure. I'll save this and I'll execute this. I have a department called as QA and I write department name, I'll say search. I get all the employees of that particular department. So this is very simple and this is our normal logic. Now let us achieve the same thing with the help of navigation properties and let us see how simple it is. Now I'll just remove this line of code, or I'll just try to comment out these two lines of code. And I'll use navigation properties. For that it is very simple. I'll say where employees equals to. Now first of all I'll try to find out that record, that is the department. So this is what I did to find out that record. Till this it is same. Now dot DID. So this is what we found earlier. We found department ID, then with the help of department ID, we wrote a where clause and employee table. Here, instead of going for DID, here I'll go for a navigation property that I have in my department table. Let's go to organization model. In this department entity, I have a navigation property that is TBL employee. I'll use this property. I'll say dot TBL employee. That's it. It is going to find out that department and it will extract all the employees of that department and it will store it in EMP. Save this and execute this. I'll write QA and I get the same result. So instead of me writing two queries, I wrote a single query to get all the employees belonging to that particular department. So this is the feature and the advantage of your navigation properties. In the same way, you can navigate from employee table to the department table. So this is all about your navigation properties. Thank you very much.